Hello, welcome to Montracon. My name is Simon Kyle. I look after the area of the northeast of England. Today I'm going to show you around the Montracon netcap collaboration we've got here that we've produced recently for all steels.
The rear is very simple to operate. We've got a sprung elastic strap here that we just release. As you can see, it's on a sprung steel bar inside. Up it goes.
This particular trailer, the canopy is actually sealed or locked closed via a cam system. It's a very, very simple but effective method of securing the tarp in place.
Like I said earlier, this trailer actually opens not just from the rear but from the front. It's a very simple collar lock system. On this trailer you can also see we've got the anti-sheet sag. Just keeps things out of the way of the load. So Cat 340 drop links, and we've got some post sockets here as well with some 2.4 metre posts.
If you'd like any further information on the Montracon netcap collaboration, please drop us a line. Alternatively, contact us via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the social media platforms are available on there. And just keep up to speed with all things coming through from Montracon.